In this video, I'm going to show you how to find very profitable yields on tokens. These come up about one a day, I would say. You can see the 24-hour yield is a very high percentage. I'm going to show you what to look for, how to find them. So I entered this pool around 31 minutes ago. I created it. I brought in about 2 Solana, which is about $350. So we're up $6. Our yield is earning roughly $20 to $25 per hour, which is really high. This will not last. This is a temporary fix. However, it might run for a few days and it's quite a wide spread. So I haven't got a thin spread. So I'll probably earn for a few hours on this, take my balance. And as I always say, the entry, this is the actual pool, is the most important thing. So had I brought here and yield farmed it, I would not have made money. So I waited, found an entry. So we're going to scan some. We're going to see if we can find some. I'm going to show you how to do it and hopefully help you profit very short term on these pools. We don't want to be hanging around too long in them. So in terms of yield, we can look for some that are really, really high. This means that we're earning a very high percentage. This is abnormally high, and the fees we need to take a look at. So maybe we could look at this Flavia one, and I'm going to show you exactly what to look for. So if we look for Flavia, because there are warning flags, there are things you don't want to see, and I'm going to teach you how to actually find them. Flavia. God, I can't type. So these are the AI tokens, and they have very high volume. So this is down 80%, meaning potentially it might not be a. In theory, I wouldn't probably buy this one. And if you want, you can always check what the pool is doing and how the volume is. So this one has a 1.2 and a TVL. So you kind of want a small TVL so you get most of the fees. So we want to look for one on Orca with 7,000 market cap. Probably this one. And this is it. So we're going to check if there is volume. It's okay. It's not fantastic. But the chart I don't like. I think it needs to fall off. Like there's no, possibly it could be one to buy. So let's buy one. Let's buy half a Solana of it and let's yield farm it. Let's put in 0.5. So I'm up around probably about 2 weeks of yield farming on Solana, these AI tokens. I've made about $2,000 plus on it, maybe more actually. And they are very profitable. So here's is this our buy? One of them was our buy. Oh no, it wouldn't have shown on this pool. So we're going to make a pool. We're going to go custom. Orca's very laggy. That's the only thing I don't like about it. And we're going to make a quick pool, and I'm going to show you how we're going to hopefully profit from this on it. Flavia. So we brought in half a Solana, and we're going to add half a Solana. So total 1 Solana worth. And I'm going to do a price range. What was the market cap? 7 mil. I could probably get away with a 15. And if we put max, it wants us to put in half a Solana, roughly. And it's showing us a good, decent yield. It's going to cost us $3 in fee. I may 10. It's not going to make much difference. I may go with 20. Now, I'm not too confident on this pool, as in 7 million. It might dump to 3 million. However, the time of the day is always something I look at. So most people are going to sleep in America or waking up, and we've got our pool live. So we put in $175. What we want is possibly a 20% price increase while we farm some yield. And so it's looking something like this. So we're up $7. So we're up $20 on this. So if I withdraw, I've made $20 profit. I'll hold this a bit more, see how it goes. Flavia. So ideally, if we break out a range up here, that means we're in profit. Most of our GPT will get swapped into Solana. Same with this as well. So we've got a very small yield coming in. And we just be aware, maybe this might be the floor, but again, I'm not too optimistic on it in terms of volume. So all these buys here, this was us adding it in. All these are we're accumulating fees from. And the good thing is we own a percentage of the pool. So we own about 1 Solana, so about $175. So we own about I don't know, 1% of the pool. So we get a share of the fees. The more you own of the pool, the more you receive. And this one, again, is quite a small one. I think the pool is quite small on this as well. I think it's like $10,000. So that's what we want. We want high fees and we want to own most of the pool. If you can own all of the pool, then you get a hell of a lot of fees. But all in all, I'll update you guys on this if we get some good progress. And fingers crossed, you can find pools that are yielding extremely high. Now, these ones are very risky because the fee, most of the volume was based on what has previous been in the volume. So as you can see, there's been a lot of volume on the sell side. So these tokens might be coming to an end. That's the only thing you need to be aware of. So it's quickly in and out. We're not looking to hold these for a few weeks. We're looking to find tokens that are quick scalps in terms of yield farming it. Maybe we can catch a dip, get some extra yield, and then obviously sell off the tokens and keep the Solana. Hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been useful. All the best and take care.